Life begins inside my name. A city light, a living flame. Each breath arrives already free and settles where it's meant to be. This life is mine entirely, no boundary for things already mine to claim. It's born as one identity. This life belongs only to me. My steps unfolding always ways. Each moment moves at its own pace. Every question I wonder is old and clear, and my life stands as truth as it lives in me. My voice exists in its own tone, and stands as stands in bliss alone. No more left, no in between, just one.